Thank you for coming in. I'm just in the office today. Y'all have always seen me out in the shop area. You hadn't been in the office, I don't think. I hadn't invited y'all in here yet. So, yeah, you get to come in the office where I work on guitars. I got a wiring problem with that, and it's, you got to have both controls up for it to work. And I'm thinking it's one of the wires is on one of the wrong lugs coming from the pickups to it, and there's something's crossed. Just two wires crossed, I think, is all it is. So, I took all the controls out of a T25. I'm sure I put them back right, but somehow they're not working. So, hey, let's pull this guitar up on the bench and open it up and look inside, and maybe y'all can, you know, help me. Man, I see all these people that's following me. And whoa, Mo. Dudes, y'all blowing me away. Hey, Hank, guys, these people are just so good. I mean, I am. Y'all are making me happy here to do this, and I just love being here, and I'll do whatever that I can do to make you happy. If you want to see something, let me know. I mean, I'm going to do my best, but I'm going to lay that there for now and get these all out of the way. All my junk, all my breakages. Let me see, can I reach that? Yeah, I can reach it. Pull the cord around. I'm doing that calisthenics exercise. You see that, don't you? Now this volume. Whoa! Okay, we got, look at this. This one is working correct. Well, let me give y'all a better camera. I'm sorry. That was just silly. I should let y'all see what's going on. It's my fault. Here. Now, that better? Y'all can see this, I hope? Yeah. Volumes, tones. This volume here is doing what it's supposed to. Turn it off. Turn this one on. Nothing. Turn that one on a little bit. Oh, wait. That pickup ain't doing nothing, dudes. That's what the problem is. It's not a wiring issue. It's the whole pickup ain't working. Because that one's working. Okay. Whoa, hold on. That pickup's doing nothing. When I thought I was turning this up and getting sound and it was having to be on to get me to blend, yeah, that ain't good, because that ain't the issue. This pickup here is not working, just flat ain't working. So what we gonna do? We're gonna open it up and see, guys. Let's fire it up. So let me just flip it over, lay it right there, and flip that over so it'll sit flat on the strings. And get that more in the center of the camera where y'all are at. Can y'all see that? That good? Yeah, that ain't bad. That ain't bad. Okay. Let's see. It's going to be this one here. No. That one. The front one. Dummy. Okay, the bridge is okay. I'm going to turn that pickup all the way up. Okay, I got that pickup all the way up. Now we're going to go exploring. Aha, I found it. Hold on. I got to reach around you here and grab the soldering iron. Okay, I'm back. Now we got somewhere. At least we found it. Okay, let's get the soldering iron fired up. And box of stuff with soldering stuff in it. But yeah, let's check this thing out. I got the soldering iron heating up. I got solder. This can't take long to fix, you know. I mean, we might have a quick project on this, guys. So, yeah. Hey, never know. I probably ought to unplug it while I solder it, though, and I better put on my dang glasses so I can see what I'm doing. And let's just pull this out, and I'm pretty sure it's just this one here is right there is where the problem is. So, let me just check right there one more time. I don't know, guys. The ground looks real good, but I'm a little scared. That one there is kind of dark and sketchy. I'm a little worried about it. So we're going to go back in on this one here and just take it, just get it. I think it's the only one that I got a problem with. Whoa. I was supposed to unplug that, guys. Make sure nothing's touching anything. These were the wires that were in the base. I didn't rewire them. That's the reason I knew that it couldn't be anything real bad, because I didn't move anything. Okay, so let's let it sit there a second. Uh-oh, it's on now. Yeah, the only problem is the stool's out in the other room. Ha ha! It works. Ha ha! I'm happy. Hey, there you go. Now, simple as that. Next project is put this cover back on the back. You ready? Here we go. Done. Simple as that. That was all that took. I thought I had a major wiring issue, and, well, I didn't. Let me spin. Cut the buzz off. Okay, the buzz is off. Got that out of the way now. Man, that's a load off the brain, not having to worry about that now. Yeah, turn that back off out of the way. Whoa, I hit the camera, about to knock myself out. Guys, nothing like something when the plan comes together, you know? Now I'm going to reach out here and grab one more thing. Y'all ready for this? This is the first thing that Spike ever made. Now, when you make something, you don't have to make the whole thing. You just have to make it into something useful. That's what a maker does, okay? So you can take an old tire and make it into something, or an old wheel and make it into something, or you can take an old light fixture that used to mount on a desk and had a little bitty light bulb in it right there in the middle. See right here? Had that little light bulb in it. And you can make something out of that. So when I was a little kid, my dad's house has got a set of steps that go down into the basement. And you got one light bulb, a little round light bulb, way up in the air, about, well, 12 feet above the stairs. And there's not room to set a ladder up in there, but it's got these little ledges that run down the side where the trim was. So I figured I could walk out on that and straddle it and get out there. So I did. And then I got back. And then I couldn't reach the bulb because it was above my head. So I found this in Dad's basement. And y'all can look at this and tell by looking at the age of this tape and these shoestrings that I put in here. But I slid this over a light bulb and unscrewed that light bulb, took it out, put a new one in, and unscrewed it. And my dad come home from work, and he went to go down to the basement, and he flipped the light, and the switch come on, and he about had a heart attack. Because he'd been flipping the switch to turn the light on for about 2 weeks, and nothing would happen. And he flipped the switch out of habit, and it came on. And he said, "What in the world? The light's fixed." And I said, "Yep, I took care of that." And then I brought this and showed it to him. Now, y'all say, "Well, no, that's a maker for sure," but you ready for this? I was 8 years old when I done this. And I'm 64. So that was 50. Yeah, a long time ago. Yeah.